Feel like opening the windows today. It's one of those days. What's up, everybody? I'm still sick, hating life. Might even have to do a bloody COVID test, but COVID's so 2 years ago, isn't it? It's just old news. I can't be bothered with it anymore. But I'm still sick. I haven't gotten over it. I've been resting a lot, doing what I can. So here I am doing another very light intensity workout. And so what I'm going to be doing again is really pushing forward on the thing that I want progress above all at the moment, which is golfer's elbow. I have golfer's elbow, very, very minor now. I mean, it's so minor that I can barely feel it, but I can still feel it. And I want to, probably in another 4 weeks, I think, another 4-week mesocycle, I want to move into starting to work on, weighted pull-ups and things like that, working towards my my one-arm pull-up goal for this year. So this is the thing that I really want to fix above anything else. And so this is what I do when I'm sick. When I'm sick, I do very little, but I think, what can I do to work towards my primary goals? And, I have a push goal as well, of course. I have a goal of doing a handstand push-up this year, but I don't have much. That's the only thing that's really preventing me from going forward with my push goal is just dealing with a little bit of shoulder pain that I had from sorry, that's the garbage truck outside. So anyway, the idea is I'm just doing a really reduced amount of load, and I'm just going to do some trigger point release and some foam rolling in between my sets. So this is a very, very different workout for me for what I normally do. But my goal this year, as far as my YouTube channel goes, is to document the whole journey. And this is part of the journey. Part of the journey is when we get sick, how do we deal with it? What do we do? And so this is what I do when I'm sick. Oh, I'm so tired of this bloody virus. I hate getting sick. I just hate not being able to do the things I want to do. I have done a really good 5 weeks of training before this, though, which means that, the deload that I'm getting from this, I'm going to be going through some super compensation, which is good, which is the highest level of adaptation. So I'm going to be adapting really nicely to the 5 weeks of work that I did before this, but I still hate not being able to do what I want. Oh, all right. That was just a little bit of a release for my hip flexors. Whew. I think I'm really just going to crank my biceps today. That's the part of my body that's holding me back the most at the moment. Lack of bicep strength relative to my shoulders and forearms. Okay. I watched a pretty inspiring movie yesterday, American Underdog, about that quarterback. I don't normally watch American football films just because I don't understand the rules. we don't have gridiron or NFL, whatever it's called in Australia. So I don't understand the rules properly. But I love a good sports movie. I love a true story. underdog sports movie. They're always very inspiring. And man, what a story. I mean, that guy, he really went from packing shelves he didn't make it after college football. And he was packing shelves in supermarkets, and 5 years later, he was the quarterback for the Rams, I think they were called. And they won the Super Bowl. And he went on to play in another 2 Super Bowls and played 13 years of football and got it put into the Hall of Fame at the end. What an incredible story. If you're looking for something inspiring and you like your sports movies like me, go and check out American Underdog on Netflix. Okay. This is the best way to be efficient with training. Just go from a strength movement for your upper body to some mobility for lower body or back or whatever. Man, I really want to get over this virus. I'm so tired of it. So boring. A bit of basic mobility when you're sick, I find, goes a long way, because you do as much training as I do. If you don't do anything for that week that you're sick, oh man, getting back to it the week later, I just feel terrible. Every morning I just get up and think, oh, I've just got to get through doing all the coaching I need to do for our tribe, and then do this one video, and then I just go upstairs and relax. Come on, guns. Let's get some muscle. Oh. Did you know that the vast majority of shoulder pain can be fixed just by increasing flexibility in the lats. Not my words, the words of my friend Nilesh Murthy, who is the head sports physio for one of Australia's premier football clubs. And when I was saying him about my slap tear, and he just asked me how my lats were, and we tested them and they were really tight on that one side, and just by doing some trigger point release and some stretching, like 80% of the pain in my shoulder just went like that. It's incredible. So if you have chronic shoulder pain, start with some release on your lats, like what I'm doing here, and doing some lat stretches. See how that works for you. Oh, I'm definitely moving slow today. All right, team. That's it for me today. I got 40 reps on my biceps and a little bit of flexibility work. So it's edging me towards my goals. And send me some healing love. Hopefully I'm going to be better tomorrow, but I'm not holding my breath. I'm aiming for Monday next week. Either way, I'll see you in tomorrow's workout.